Hello! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For this vlog, I will discuss finding the equation of a quadratic function. Okay, first example is given its zeros 6 and 2. So the zeros are 6 and 2. So it is x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2, right? So what we're going to do is we will transpose lang positive 6 to the left side and 2 to the left side. So magiging x, so from positive 6, magiging negative 6 siya, kaya naging minus 6. Then, wag mo nang kopyahin ng end, put lang parentheses kasi parentheses means multiplication. So, ito namang 2, we will transpose the left side. So, from positive 2, magiging negative 2 siya. Kaya naging x minus 2. Then don't forget to put equals 0. So, the quantity of x minus 6 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Next is we are going to use FOIL method. So, x times x is x squared. Then x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12 is equal to 0. Next, we are going to combine like terms. Like terms are negative 2x and negative 6x. So, we will copy lang x squared. So, ang white yung tingnan nyo ha. So, copy lang x squared. Then, negative 2x minus 6x. Since they have the same sign, so we will add the number 2 plus 6. Then, copy the common sign, which is negative. So, negative 8x. Since negative, so it means minus. So, minus 8x, then copy plus 12 is equal to 0. So, yan yung final answer niya. X squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Next is, what if the given is a graph? So, first is, we are going to find the vertex. So, the vertex is this one. Ito. Tingnan nyo yung red. So, ang x niya, di ba itong vertex, first here is h, the next is k, di ba? So, our h is negative 2. So, tingnan lang natin kung from here, so saan siya naka-align sa x-axis. So, okay, dito siya sa negative 2. Kaya yung h natin is negative 2. Then, yung k is ito naman. Kung saan naka-align sa y-axis yung vertex. So, negative 9. So, negative 9. So, negative 2 is ang h, then negative 9 is ang k. So, meron na tayong vertex. Next is, the graph passes through the point negative 5 and 0. So, di ba ang graph, itong graph na to, ning pass through siya dito sa negative 5 and positive 1. So, it's up to you kung ano yung pipiliin nyo na point. It's either negative 5 or 1 and 0. So, ang pinili ko is negative 5 and 0. So, kung kayo yung mag-solve, pwede kayong pumili nitong 1 and 0. So, x negative 5, since yung x natin is negative 5, so automatically, yung y niya is 0. Then, ito namang 1, since ang x is 1, automatically, yung y is 0. So, ito, kaya negative 5, then ang y niya is 0. So, replace lang x and y by negative 5 and 0 respectively. So, ang x natin, ang value ng x is negative 5, ang value ng y is 0. Also, h and k by negative 2 and negative 9 respectively. So, replace lang din h and k by negative 2 and negative 9. So, ang h natin is negative 2, ang k is negative 9. Next is, we are going to use the vertex form. The vertex form is this one. Y is equal to a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. So, ang gagawin lang natin, substitute lang the values of h, k, x, and y dito sa vertex form, dito sa equation. So, y natin is 0, right? Ito yung y, 0 is equal to, since we don't have value of a, so copy lang a, ang x natin is negative 5, so negative 5, the operation is minus, so minus, h natin is negative 2, so times negative 2 squared, plus k natin is negative 9, so plus negative 9. Next is 0 is equal to, copy lang a, the negative 5, copy negative 5, the negative times negative, diba, is positive. Kaya naging plus 2 squared. By the way, hindi pwedeng i-square mo directly yung negative 2 kasi yung a squared, dapat isolve mo muna itong nasa loob ng parentheses bago mo i-square, okay? Then, positive times negative is negative 9. So, 0 is equal to, copy A, negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3 squared minus 9. So, since na-solve na natin itong nasa loob ng parentheses, yung final answer na yung i-square natin, okay? So, 0 is equal to negative 3 squared is equal to negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. Kaya naging 9a minus 9. Then next is we will transform 9a to the left side. So, from positive 9a, magiging negative 9a siya. Tingnan nyo yung white ha. Is equal to negative 9. Then, para yung a na lang yung matira sa left side, so we will divide both sides by negative 9. So, divide by negative 9, yung white, yung tinan nyo, negative 9 divided by negative 9, ay negative 9a divided by negative 9 is equal to negative 9 divided by negative 9. So, negative 9 divided by negative 9 is 1, so a na lang. Then, yung white yung tingnan nyo, negative 9 divided by negative 9 is positive 1. Thus, the quadratic equation is y is equal to x plus 2 minus 9. Since we have na the value of a which is 1. So, by using gihapon this form, the vertex form, so copy lang y is equal to, a natin is 1, so no need na siyang lagyan ng 1 dito sa labas ng parentheses kasi automatic na yan, meron na siyang 1. Pero, para hindi kayo malito, pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng 1. Then, copy x. Since the operation here is minus, tinan nyo yung red, minus, then yung value ng h natin is negative 2. So, puro sila minus, diba? Minus and negative. So, negative times negative is positive. So, ang gagamitin natin operation is plus 2. Kasi positive 2 na siya, it means yung operation niya is plus. So, plus 2. Then, sa labas naman, yung value ng k naman, ang operation is plus. Then, ang value ng k is negative 9. So, positive times negative is negative 9. That's why minus 9 siya. Kasi kung ano yung operation ng number, yun din yung, kung ano yung sign ng number, yun din yung operation niya. So, negative 9, that's why minus 9. So, yan yung final answer. The quadratic equation is y is equal to the quantity of x plus 2 minus 9. Next is, what if the given is table of values? So, sa table of values, pipili lang kayo ng tatlong points. So, pwedeng ito. Basta tatlo lang yung pipiliin yung points. So, para mas madali lang sa inyo, piliin nyo yung number sa x na magkapareho kahit hindi sila pareho ng sign. Yung first 2 points, piliin nyo yung pareho ng number piliin nyo pareho yung number ng x kahit na magkaiba yung sign niya. Then, ang ika-third point, pwede na kahit saan dyan. So, ang pinili ko is, so I will going to use 1 and 0. Ito, 1 and 0. then negative 1 and 4. Diba? Pareho sila ng x, puro sila 1, pero nag-differ lang sila sa sign. Kasi negative 1 ito, then ito positive 1. So, negative 1 and 4, then ang ikatatlo kong points is 2 and negative 5. Then, so, gagamitin ko 1 and 0, negative 1 and 4, 2 and negative 5. And substitute these values in the equation, y is equal to ex squared plus bx plus c. So, first is, I will going to use 1 and 0 kasi ito yung unang point na pinili ko. So, 1 and 0. So, 1 dyan is x, ang 0 is y. So, ito yung equation, y is equal to ex squared plus bx plus c. So, ang gagawin lang natin, substitute lang the value of x and y sa equation. So, ang y natin, di ba, is 0. So, 0 na yan is equal to, copy lang a, then ang x natin is 1. So, 1 squared plus copy b, ito. Then, ang value ng x is 1. Then, copy plus c. So, 0 is equal to 1 squared, di ba, is 1. So, ano lang, a. Then, 1 times b is b. 1b or b. Pwede nyo lagyan ng 1 ha. Kung nalilito kayo, pwede nyo lagyan ng 1a, pwede nyo lagyan ng 1b. Pero pwede rin namang wala kasi automatic na yan, meron na siyang 1. So, a plus b, then copy plus c. So, ito, 0 is equal to a plus b plus c. Ito yung ating equation 1. Next is, I will be using negative 1 and 4. So, x is negative 1, y is 4. Then, ito yung ito yung equation. Then, substitute y by 4. So, 4 is equal to, copy lang a, ito a. Then, ang value ng x, negative 1. So, negative 1 squared plus copy b. Then, the value of x, negative 1 plus c. So, copy 4 is equal to negative 1 squared, diba? Is negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Kaya, pwedeng 1a, pwede rin namang a. Then, negative 1 times b is negative b. Since ang sign is negative, therefore, yung operation niya is minus. So, pwedeng minus 1b or pwede rin namang minus b kasi automatic na yan, meron na siyang 1. Then, copy plus c. So, yan yung equation 2 natin. Then, next is, we are going to use point 2 and negative 5. Yung ikatlong point natin na pinili. 2 and negative 5. So, x is 2, y is negative 5. So, substitute natin sa equation na ito. So, y is negative 5, diba? Negative 5 is equal to, copy a, ang value ng x is 2, so 2 squared, copy b, times 2, kasi x natin is 2 plus c. Okay, yung white yung tingnan nyo. Then, equals, so copy negative 5, yung white ha is equal to, 2 squared is, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, 4a, then 2 times b is 2b, positive 2b, so plus 2b, then copy plus c. So, yan yung equation 3 natin. Next is, add corresponding terms in equation 1 and equation 2 to eliminate b. So, we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2 para ma-eliminate natin yung b, para mawala yung b. So, ito, ang equation 1 natin, diba, is ito, 0 is equal to a plus b plus c. Ang equation 2 natin is 4 is equal to a minus b plus c. So, i-add natin siya. The result is, okay, 0 plus 4 is 4 is equal, a plus a is 2a, y, kasi meron siyang 1, diba? So, 1 plus 1 is 2, then copy the variable a, then positive b plus negative b is 0, so cancel na siya. Then, positive c plus positive c, diba automatic meron siyang 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, then copy the variable c. So, yan yung equation 4 natin. Next is, multiply the terms in equation 2 by 2 and add corresponding terms in equation 3 to eliminate b. So, ang gagawin natin, yung equation 2 natin, itong equation 2, mumultiplyan natin siya ng 2, Then, after natin mamultiplyan ng 2, ang result, i-add natin sa equation 3 para ma-eliminate din yung b. So, twice equation 2, diba, plus equation 3. So, ang equation 2 natin is ito, 4 is equal to a minus b plus c. So, multiply both sides by 2. So, kaya merong 2 sa labas, 2 times 4, then the quantity of a minus b plus c times 2. So, the result is, diba, 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to 2 times a is 2a, 2 times negative b is negative 2b, then 2 times positive c is plus 2c. So, yan yung equation 2 natin, diba? Minumultiplyan natin ng 2. Then, equation 3 is ito, negative 5 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. So, ang equation 3, hindi nyo na siya kailangang multiplyan ng 2. Yung equation 2 lang, yung multiplyan nyo ng 2 ha. So, equation 3 as is lang siya. O ano yung nakuha yung equation 3. So, i-add natin siya. So, ito, 8 plus negative 5 is positive 3. Yung white, yung tingnan nyo ha. Positive 3 din equal. Yung red naman, yung tingnan nyo, 2a plus 4a. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then, copy the variable a. Then, ito, negative 2 plus positive 2. They don't have the same sign, so 0 na siya. Eliminate na yung b. Then, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, copy the variable c. So, 3 is equal to 6a plus 3c. Yan yung equation 5 natin. Okay, next is to solve for c, multiply the terms in equation 4 by 3 and subtract the corresponding terms in equation 5. So, para makuha natin yung value ng c, no, dapat yung equation 4, multiplyan natin siya ng 3. Then, after that, isubtract natin yung nakuha natin sa equation 5. So, ito, diba, thrice the equation 4 minus equation 5. So, equation 4 natin, diba, is 4 is equal to 2a plus 2c. So, multiplyan natin ng 3 both sides. So, 3 times 4 is 12. Then, 3 times positive 2a is positive 6a. Then, 3 times positive 2c is positive 6c. So, yan yung equation 4. Equation 5 natin is ito. 3 is equal to 6a plus 3c. So, i-minus natin siya. Yung equation 4 lang ha, yung multiplyan nyo ng 3. Yung equation 5 is hindi na nyo kailangang multiplyan ng 3. So, subtract na natin siya. 12 minus 3 is 9 is equal to 6a minus 6a. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, cancel na tong 6a, itong a. Then, ito naman, positive 6c minus 3c. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then, copy the variable c. So, 9 is equal to 3c. So, ang gagawin natin, transpose natin 3c to the left side. So, magiging negative 3c. And ito namang 9, i-transpose natin sa right side, magiging negative 9. So, para c na lang yung matira sa left side, we will multiply both sides by negative 3. Para positive yung, para c na lang yung matira sa left side, and positive yung, yung sign ng c. So, negative 3c divided by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So, c is equal to negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3. So, meron na tayong value ng c, which is 3. Next is, we are going to substitute the value of c in equation 4 and solve for a. So, since meron tayong nakuha na value ng c, which is 3, gagamitin natin yung equation 4, then substitute natin yung value ng c, which is 3, para makuha natin kung ano yung value ng a. So, the equation 4 is this one. 4 is equal to 2a plus 2c. So, copy 4, then copy 2a plus, copy 2. Ang ating c, diba, is 3. So, substitute c by 3. Then 4 is equal to 2a. 2 times 3 is 6. Then next is we will transpose 2a to the left side. So magiging negative 2a is equal to, remain lang yung 6 sa right side. So positive 6. Then itong positive 4 transpose to the right side. So magiging, from positive 4 magiging negative 4 siya. So 6 minus 4. So copy negative 2a, 6 minus 4 is positive 2. So para a na lang yung matira sa left side, then dapat yung sign ng a is positive, we will divide both sides by negative 2. So, negative 2a divided by negative 2, itong white, tingnan nyo ha, is equal to 2 divided by negative 2. So, negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. So, a is equal to 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. So, meron na tayong value ng a, which is negative 1. Then, meron tayong value ng c, which is positive 3. Next is, we are going to substitute the value of c and a in equation 1 and solve for b. So, gagamitin natin yung equation 1, substitute natin yung value ng c and a para makuha natin yung value ng b. Pero kayo, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng equation 2, then equation 3. It's up to you. Kasi, kahit anong gagamitin nyo dyan, from equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, same lang yung lalabas na value ng b. So, ang gagamitin ko lang is itong equation 1. So, equation 1 natin is 0 is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, 0 is equal to, ang value ng a natin, diba, is negative 1. Then, wala tayong value ng b kasi ito yung hahanapin natin. So, copy lang plus b. Then, our c is positive 3. So, plus 3. Then, 0. Kung copy b, then negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. So, ang operation is plus. So, b plus 2. Next is, we will transpose b to the left side. So, positive b, naging negative b na siya, diba? Ito, negative b is equal to, remain lang yung 2 sa right side. So, same lang din yung sign niya. Since hindi pwedeng negative yung b, ang gagawin natin is, we will divide or multiply both sides by negative 1. It's up to you kung i-divide nyo ba or i-multiply by negative 1. Okay? Kasi, kahit anong gagamitin nyo dyan, kahit multiply or divide, same lang din yung lalabas. So, negative 1 times negative b is magiging positive b. Then, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, meron na tayong value ng a, b, and c. Okay, thus, a is equal to negative 1, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to positive 3. So, substitute this in f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, itong value ng a, b, and c, i-substitute natin siya dito sa quadratic function. Itong ax squared plus bx plus c. I-substitute natin siya sa a, sa b, at saka sa c. Okay, the quadratic function is f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, di ba yung a natin is negative 1, so nagiging negative x squared. So yung red, yung tingnan nyo ha, negative x squared. So pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng 1 dyan, negative 1x squared, pwede rin namang wala. Pwedeng diretso lang siya, negative x squared, kasi automatic na yang merong 1. Basta wag nyo lang kalimutang ilagay kung ano yung sign. Kasi kung walang negative dyan, mali na siya kasi positive yung magiging sign niya. Dapat meron siyang negative. Check pa rin siya kahit meron siyang 1 or wala. The next is, ang b natin is negative 2. So, we will substitute negative 2 sa b. So, negative, since yung sign ng 2 is negative, so ang operation is minus. So, minus 2x. So, copy lang yung variable na x ha, x, then ito naman x squared. So, minus 2x. Then, yung c natin is positive 3, so plus 3. So, yan na yung final answer natin. F of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, that's all. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!